Hello, ladies and gentlemen. I am Omender Singh, ServiceNow architect. Today, I am here to present an amazing course of ServiceNow, that is ServiceNow ITOM course, ServiceNow Discovery course. This is an ever-demanding course, and it is evergreen because it is related to infrastructure. And an organization today, tomorrow, yesterday always will have some infrastructure, and it is growing rapidly. So that's why, in order to manage that infrastructure, companies need discovery. And what is better than ServiceNow Discovery, ServiceNow ITOM? So that's why this course is evergreen, ever demanding, and professionals are looking to find solutions with respect to that. So for all those people who are interested in ServiceNow ITOM course, along with CMDB course, I'm here to present this. So before telling much, let me share the content with you, what I'm going to teach you. Okay, so let's share it on my screen, please. So this is the name of the course, ServiceNow, CMDB, and Discovery. Okay, so let's move. So at the very beginning, we understand CMDB because Discovery and CMDB are related to each other in all ways, right? The data which Discovery is fetching is ultimately placing into CMDB. So until unless you understand CMDB, it is not worth going for Discovery. So that's why we have this course. So we understand its meaning. What is a CI? All the tables, the relationships between the CI, the importance of this relationship. And then finally, we go to query the CMDB. Okay, so once we know what is a CMDB, then it's time to query, to fetch data from CMDB. What are the ways to do that? We'll discuss here. So for that, we understand CMDB Query Builder. We will provide you various examples to build the query. Then we understand how to schedule a particular query. Then we understand in a query builder how you batch the thing. Okay. Then finally, we use this CMDB Query Builder API to script. So in case you need to fetch data via script, in that case, how you are going to use this API, this is CMDB Query Builder API, we're going to discuss that here. Then we'll come to CMDB class manager. This is important because there are n number of classes and managing these classes is very important. Until unless you understand how to manage this class, you will not be able to place your data, you will not be able to do discovery properly. So that's why we have the overview of class manager. We understand identification rule, examples, reconciliation rule, examples, dependent relationships, what is the meaning, and then we discuss CMDB health, where we discuss completeness, compliance, and correctness of CMDB data. The examples which I'm going to share here will be top-notch, industrial standard, yet simple. So once CMDB is complete, we will come to mid servers. Now we are going towards discovery, guys. Here you see how to install it, what is the overview, what is the setup, understand the config file, how to get logs, how to debug mid server. All these things we will discuss step by step. And then we'll come to discovery basics. What is discovery? What are the phases? What is pro? What is sensor? Okay, what are credentials? What are patterns? What is the type of discovery, like horizontal, vertical? What is ECCQ? Everything we will discuss properly. What is the role of ECCQ? All these things will be discussed. So once you understand about discovery, then it's time to understand schedules, like how you configure discovery in a particular instance. So for that, we have quick discovery. We have types of discovery where you can find CIs, where you can find or discover IPs, network, clouds, everything. Then we have to understand how to, then we understand how to connect a mid server with a particular discovery. And then we understand about behavior, ranges, what are IP ranges, how to make ranges, how to troubleshoot discovery, how to create a pattern. All these things will be discussed step by step. So after this, we come to cloud discovery, where we understand the overview, where we understand the Azure setup there, how to set up or configure a cloud discovery, okay, how to configure Azure account, how to create Azure account, how to relate it, okay. And then finally, we will create a schedule for discovering these cloud resources. And then we come to service mapping, its overview, its setup, its application, and all and all, okay. So this is the complete course. So ladies and gentlemen, after opting this course, this is the content which I'm going to share. One thing I can promise here is the quality of the content. is the examples. Okay, it's the relationship of my explanation with the technical, with the industrial things. I will provide very simple examples, but those examples will be directly relatable to the actual industry. So what are you waiting for? Just purchase this course. Okay, everything will be provided in the description. Thank you so much and all the best for this course.